Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Very passionate about what you've talked about. But even more, you see, most politicians typically have bought their way into office or muscled their way into office. This is the first time that people are putting politicians in, not because of the money that they are giving, but because of love, because of hope. So, His Excellency Peter Obi and this obedient movement has redefined politics in Nigeria. It really has. And based on that, you've created a new type of politician. Because a politician is a reflection of the people that take the politics seriously. And the people that have taken politics seriously, they care about your manifesto. They care about your vision. They care about your delivery. And they will call you out.
Exactly.
They believe in transparency. So for me, this is what I've been advocating for since I got into politics. So you don't understand, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now.
Okay.
Right? So for me, transparency and accountability. First 10 days in office, we are publishing all Lagos State accounts. Line by line items. You're not going to have to ask for it. It will be there. It will be updated regularly. So I'm saying all this on camera. So I'm going to watch all of these interviews after I'm declared the winner. No problem. So I won't even wait for you to send it. But this is the thing, right? We're going to share this information in terms of infographics and then carry people along through our decision making, so they can see the opportunity cost. So, for instance, this is our budget. We have 100 million for Ikeja local government. We could get so many schools done for 70 million. Or we could get so many hospitals done for this amount. And then we show you how all that is broken down. See, in this year, now, we're going to make this decision because of this. Now, you're building trust because now there's dialogue. I've always said we cannot leave politics and governance to just the politicians. The more people get involved, the better this country will be. And the only way to do that is by promoting this dialogue and building trust. That's the first thing. Secondly, I'm going to have a radio show, right, where we talk about issues per local government for the week. Then I come on Friday and address all those issues, or my deputy governor comes on, address those issues. And it's a way of feedback, right? Because, you see, there's a subconscious thing that we sort of start to lose a part of our humanity when you get into this office. And it's the little steps. For instance, you start moving in a bulletproof car. You start having people that are shielding you, right? You start having to be very conscious of your environment and everything. And you start becoming more secure and you're starting to lose touch. People around you are only telling you about the good things that you are doing. Yeah. So it's important to always put yourself with the people. So radio interviews, not radio interviews, so a show.
Just radio
but
show.
It's going to be very directed. Sure. And it's solving problems. It's about solving problems and gets people to voice and feel government, right? That's the second thing. The third thing, I'm going to have rotational government. So my seat will be moving between the 4 divisions, right?
What does that look like?
So for instance, I'll be spending a week in the Badagry division. Sure. So if you want to see me, you come to Badagry. I also have to go by road or go by water. All of these things gives you that pulse. Your hand is on the pulse of everything. I'm supposed to stay centrally and making plans, right? And then you're interacting because I want to lift the quality of our local government chairmen, right? I know that the state assembly is very important, but the local government chairmen are the mini governors in those places. I want to have close relationships with them. So I'm going to always be present, right? And these are things I'm committed to doing so that even the people in these different places feel the presence of their governor, right? And this will keep me grounded.
Yeah.
I think that in power, the seeds of his own destruction are sown in it. And they flourish when there is no feedback loop. And when your feet are not on the ground, you're not grounded. So you must actively make sure that you are grounded.
Yeah.
And so these are some of the things that